Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a cartoon tank. Now, to start off with our tank, we're going to begin with the top, and we're going to make a line that goes right across here. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a straight line that just goes right across. Then, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down on each side. And then starting right here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to curve up, it's going to go across, and then curve back down. Then I'm just going to connect them with a straight line. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a diagonal line here, and then a diagonal line right there. And then I'm just going to connect them with another straight line. Then, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out, and then it's going to go down at an angle. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here on this side. Then I'm going to make a line that just goes straight across like this. And then right above it, I'm going to add another line that goes straight across. And pardon the cat. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. It's going to go across, and then it's going to curve back up. And then I'm going to make that same shape again. I'm just going to curve right around and then just go right back up to here. Now, starting here, I want to make 3 half circles. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down and up. Then I'm going to start here. I'm going to make another one that's just going to go down and up, kind of like a smiley face. And then I'm going to make one more that's just going to go down and then kind of curve up like this. Then, in the center, I'm going to add another little smiley face inside each one. And then I'm going to add another smaller one inside each one of these. Now, starting right here, I'm going to just draw a line that's just going to kind of go out, down, and then over. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go straight across. And then I'm going to draw another one right underneath it. Then right here, I'm just going to make a little rectangle shape like this at the front. Then starting here, I'm just going to add 3 little circles. And then right here at the top, I'm going to make a little line that goes across and then comes down. And then I'm just going to put a little circle on the top of it. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little cartoon tank. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.